Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be telling you a bit about my transit van and my experiences over the last few days. On the 10th of the 2nd this month, it just so happens that I was driving along a small road. It's between Stroud and Dursley. Suddenly out of the blue, I thought, what on earth is that? Anyway, I got out to have a look, and you can see by the footage now, I mean, look at it. Drain or some type of water system. The amount of damage it's done to the wheels and the tyres. So the damage is on this wheel. On the inside it's really flat, and the inside of the tyre split. And on this rear wheel, I think you can judge for yourself. Not very good. Yeah. And luckily for me, the recovery truck has just come to take it away. And in this footage, it's quite clearly showing you the drain cover. Obviously, someone's been along and pushed it back in. So let's have a look at the obstacle. Now you can see that special locks there and there, and that shouldn't come out. So whoever's responsible for this, it's just amazed me. Sometimes you wonder, if it was a pothole in the road, I'd understand. But this isn't a pothole in the road. This is actually a drain cover, and they are locked in. Well, there you go. What do you think about that, guys? Has this ever happened to you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!